I was taking a time lapse of the city yesterday and I wanted to turn off the monitor to save power. The solution is so obvious when you know how to do it, but not so obvious if you don't know about this function, which does seem to be a little bit hidden in one of the menus. In searching around for this online, a few people said to just switch it to the EVF, but this still uses up that valuable power with that EVF still being on, especially when you have a long time lapse to shoot, over 2 or 3 hours or more. But there is a better way than this to do it. In the A7 III, go to your menu, go to tab 2, page 6 of 9, and find DISP button, so display button. On the A7C, this is in tab 2, page 7 of 10, so it's in a similar place. If you have one of the other Sony cameras, it should be somewhere in tab 2. In DISP button, select monitor, and then make sure monitor off is checked. Then select and press enter to save the changes. And that's the important thing with this page. Whenever you're changing these tags on the left-hand side, or if you're checking some or you're unchecking some, make sure you press enter to save the changes, because if you just come back out of this menu, it won't save those changes. It's just one of the quirks of the Sony menu. Now, when you press up on your back dial, it will scroll through all of the display options you've selected. And when you get to the monitor off selection, this will properly turn that monitor off. It won't still be backlit like when you're taking a photograph, and it won't switch to the EVF either. The one I did the other night took 3 hours and I got 3,000 shots and I still had 30% power left in the battery. I then did another sequence with a fresh battery, but I left that monitor on and it drained the battery all the way down, and it was that yellow dead battery logo. So there is a 30% difference when you do turn that monitor off while doing a sequence. Now, I know a few of you have commented on this in the past, so I hope this does help. And if you want to learn more about photography, click on this one next. Or if you want to binge watch a load of photography tutorials, click down here. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for weekly tutorials in photography and videography. I'll see you next time.